I don't know. Freyja, are you enjoying yourself? It's fun and cozy and great in there. She also likes to do this. It's actually not that easy to spot her if you know, don't know that she's there. Good job. And you got it. I can see you, you know. Freyja. Freyja, what are you doing? Chuck. You're real good. Okay, this is on top of our dresser, and Freyja just feels really cozy and good sleeping in here. So some nights, some days, more in the winter than in the summer, she sleeps here. Otherwise, she sleeps on the bed. In the summer, she likes to sleep under the bed because it's cooler, you know. Uh-oh. Ow.